broadcast. Please stand by. This is not a test. Ontario Emergency Alert Broadcast has issued a radiological fire threat warning. If you are on the following affected areas shown, seek shelter immediately. Laurentarian Hills, Deep River, Point Alexander, Petawa, Pembroke, Deux Rivières, and the entire city of Ottawa. I repeat, if you are currently on one of the affected areas, seek shelter immediately. Bring necessary objects like canned food, water, medkits, and if possible, a battery radio. Tune TO 93.2. If you are currently not near a shelter, seek shelter in a building, especially in the center of the building. If you are currently not near a building, roll on your knees and brace for impact. If you are near an area filled with trees, use them as shields. Stay tuned for more updates. Emergency broadcast on radios will emit frequently.
Kind of feels like everyone's trying to copy the $5 biggie bag. So how can you spot a...
Side area emergency. Side area emergency. Side area emergency. This message has been requested by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission in Ontario, Canada, Fire Station. This message is coded manually. This is not a test. 2 hours ago, a nuclear accident happened at the Chalk River, Ontario, Canada, Atmospheric Electromagnetic Generation Complex Research Facility. Intermediate radioactive fallout is expected to fall in the following affected states: Michigan, Minnesota, Wisconsin, New York, and Pennsylvania. If you are currently in one of the mentioned states, take shelter now. Bring necessary goods like water, canned food, flashlight, weapons, medkits, and a battery-powered radio. Radiation levels are currently on a non-lethal dose, but it is expected to cause genetic damage if staying unprotected. Stay in shelter until further notice.